Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on search privacy on Pinterest app. We will go to turn on this mark or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on saved, then you come to this window here or Pinterest app, then or your profile, then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for your window like this. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here and you just click here on privacy and data, then you come to privacy and data window, then you just come here to search privacy, then you click here on this mark and like you see this color show for us, that's mean search privacy is turned on now. So that's all you have to do to turn on this mark when this color show for us. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all Pinterest app settings.